try some of the food? Where's the purple one? Is there a purple one?
It opened. Yeah. What's this one,
Oh,
Will?
it's purple.
Judy.
Nothing.
Well, there's nothing in there.
Oh, what color?
Yeah. I don't know if it's still there.
What?
I don't know if it's still
What's in
there.
that one?
Oh, it's that one.
Yeah, makes a good cup of coffee.
Empty? Well,
Oh, I think there's something in there.
Really?
oh, sticker.
What is it?
Another one. Another one.
Who is that?
It's a sticker. Sticker. Kind of puff. You're like,
I have to.
Well, do you want to put a sticker on your shirt?
Yummy.
Oh, a sticker.
Yummy.
Yeah?
Want to wear a bunny sticker?
Sure.
How about right
Yeah.
there?
For
Easter.
Oh, that looks good.
Let me see that sticker.
That's nice.
Oh. Let me see. You can't see. Oh, how nice is that?
What in Daddy's car?
In Daddy's car?
What, honey?
Daddy's car over there.
There's stickers in there?
Make me a weekly.
Yeah, he wants
Go
to
outside.
A weekly.
You want to go outside?
It wasn't last a week?
In the
Wasn't
backyard
it
is
last
this
a
way.
week?
Want to go to the backyard? You can go to the backyard. There's some toys out there.
Oh, no way.
Look at that sticker.
That's not that much.
Wow.
Sure it isn't gone, yeah.
Oh, no. Very good.
Oh,
Hey, I didn't know you could jump off a step.
He wants to get rid of it.
Look at that.
What's that face?
Right?
Yes.
Yesterday,
mow the
gym
lawn?
class, it was on, they have a theme every week, and yesterday
We'll
was
go outside.
only last week was fire trucks, and they set
Okay,
up
we can go outside for a minute.
And every step of the way has
Okay.
something.
Special
I
apple?
don't know how they come up with it. Oh, yeah.
At the lot?
It's at a place in Hyde Park, it's like a,
You're at Mama's house. Yeah.
but yesterday was all frogs and bugs, it was all jumping. So he keeps not,
Oh, you're
he's not
fine.
hand out. There's a lot of listening to directions, and then, you know, he's not quite there yet, he's a
Don't
little
be
young.
lonely.
I think it'd be really better for a
Come on,
couple.
well, you jump everything in, right?
But yesterday, he was just
I thought you looked at the back.
jumping on the screen, jumping on the balance beam, jumping off the balance beam. He just loves to jump, so it was just so cute. Top of the world.
Digga, 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 digga.
Running.
But all the
All right, too?